Sanibonani, my beautiful people. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are great. uNkulunkulu usasithanda, uNkulunkulu usasigcinile, uNkulunkulu usasifunele okuhle futhi. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and I quickly want to ask you a question. Kodwa uqabanga ukuthi i-fault kabani ukuthi wena ula ukhona khona namhlanje? Who do you think is stopping you from changing your life? Awalenza lelo phutha lakubeka la kubeka khona. Lavumela ukuthi wena uvumela abantu ukuthi baqhubeka bakulimaze ngoba na uqabanga ukuthi you deserve it. Kodwa mntasekhaya, let me ask you, how long are you planning to stay kulelo phutha owalenza? Ubani kanti lokumele abuye azokunyakazisa athi it's okay walenza lelo phutha, but we can still move forward. Ukhona lo athi yena hayi mina ngilandela umkhokha vele mina ekhaya sathakathwa thina ekhaya saqalekiswa. Uyohlala kuleso sicalekiso until nini? Kanti abantu abaqalekisiwe abasakhona ukumuva na? Futhi wena ubani lo akutshela ukuthi waqalekiswa? Kutheni wena ubambelela kuko kangaka? Njoba ngisho there are so many people who are thriving in this life, benza something empilo zabo, not because abazi ukuthi bakhona abantu abangabafunela oku-right, but they continue. Wena yini le bamba wena, yini le yenza wena ubelieve kulokho abantu abakushoko ngempilo yakho uhlale ndawonye? I-future yakho lesikhuluma ngayo mntasekhaya, if wena you don't take the step, nobody's going to do it for you. You need to get out of that seat. Ufunde kuma mistake wakho. Sonke sinawo amaphutha, sonke siyawenza amaphutha. Sonke we fall into something, and into ebuhlungu ukuthi mewungakaziqolela ubese uphinda the same thing over and over again. Inikwenza ukuthi uhlale ndawonye. Kanti yini lekumele siyenze ukuthi wena uzusukume? Yini lekumele siyisho ukuthi wena uzusithole sewusukumile? Yini le yenza ukuthi wena we deserve a second chance? Ungayivumeli leyo nto because it is blocking you from a whole lot of things. Wonke umuntu uyaloywa if you ask me. Wonke umuntu unezitha if you ask me, but asihlali kulokho. Baningi abaloywa komara siyababona ba right. Size sikhulume nangabo ukuthi yo loya uantu wakho unomona, hey loya ugogo wakho unjanjani, hey loya umngani wakho akazange wamfisela okuhle, but akahlalanga ku that. Uthathe lawo magama wawabeka eqeleni waqhubekela phambili. Nawe lephutha lakho lithatha ulibeke eqeleni uziqolele and start doing something empilo yakho. Isikhathi siyahamba, labo bantu othi wena bakuphonsela ngalokho bakuphonsela ngakho uthola ukuthi badala futhi bakhathele nokukhathala, wena you still have a whole life ahead of you. Kunabantu ababheke wena so that impilo zabo zibe better while wena you are sitting kuleyo mistake. Abantu bazofunda kanjani? I'm always saying we are blessed to become blessings. If wena ungafuni ukuba isibusiso komunye umuntu, uthi lo muntu enze njani, because kumele abone wena uthathe step so that naye akhona ukuqhubekela phambili. Angazi mina ukuthi yini lekumele siyikhulume kunina so that nisukume, because sonke sinakho lokho. I'm not only talking about you, but I'm also talking to myself. Mengithi mina there are things that I need to forgive myself for and move forward. Akusizi ukuhlala ndawonye. Ngiyathemba ukuthi kodwa sizolenza ishintsho because we love ourselves and thina siyazi ukuthi there's a great future ahead of us. Anyway, konke okuhle nomusa makusilandele. uNkulunkulu angigcinele nini.
Breakfast ku-104.1 the pumping beat of egas kunanomndeni kuna okuhle kuna Princeville kuselela sithupha ukuthi kweshaya insimbi yakhe 7 o'clock. Uthi change your thoughts, change your life. Okuhle angibamukele emsakatweni kunjani?
Thank you so much. Ngiyaphila, hope nabalaleli ba-right emakhaya.
Hey, it's right la net manje ufuna ukuthi wena sithathe liphutha lebengibambelele kulo mina la so ufuna ngithiye wena angathi ukuthi ngidolishiya njani. Sibanjelelwa ama mistake man, sibanjelelwa ama mistake, so ngifuna kwathi ukuthi yini lekwente wena nje wakheza uyobuka liphutha ukuthi sine sihlale sikubambelela ngeliphutha because kuningi lebungakubuka.
No, I feel like a lot of times they wenza amaphutha but then singasuki kuwo, because why? I saw with my own life, I kept on being on the same place, kaningi, but I started asking myself, why ngingamuvi la? But ngakhumbula ukuthi no, since ngenza lephutha leli, so ngabambelela kulo ngibona ngathi people are still watching me. Ukuthi phela wena wenza so, kusho ukuthi akumuveki, and I see that in a lot of us. Ukuthi cha omunye umuntu uhleli nje ku relationship, uhleli ngoba nakwathatha that bad decision wangena nje emuntwini wrong. Akusasho ukuthi phuma because ufeel hayibo yimina that I brought back to myself. Kusho ukuthi nihlale nje nibekezele. Kunamagama vele engasawathandi nje umuntu angathi bekezela. The question is ubekezelela ini? Ubekezelela ukuthi uyadeserve yini lokuthi usafarishe kanjani? Because we need to really change our minds kulokho nje. It's not a good thing simile nje ndawonye befuna ukuthi ngabe sesibhude kakhulu, but because of that one mistake that I did, or nalokucabanga nje ukuthi cha bas-attack-a thina bantu because everybody unale mindset le ayibo sogezwa kangaki.
Yeah. Kuze kumosheka imali lapha sona.
Ukhipha imali yakho yokugcina uhambe uyogeza uthi wena unomkhokha okulandelayo ayibo nakhona watshela ubani ukuthi wena unomkhokha ubani lokunikeza the idea ukuthi uzohamba uyofuna ukuthi wena unomkhokha.
Hey ngimatima
Kuhle unjani Genesis okuhle ukhuluma nomndeni unjani Ngiyaphila bengicela kubuda la ukuthi what advice would you give to someone who says I'm stuck here, I don't know the way forward? What is the first step they need to take in order to feel like, okay, now sengiya progressa, you know, I'm going forward ngempilo yami, when they've been feeling stuck for a very long time?
I like the fact that we are in the month of love, and I've been hearing you guys. You just also said Valentine. So the first step is to look at yourself in the mirror and start finding yourself and start loving yourself. If you really, really think you love yourself, definitely ufuna ukuzibona ushintshile, ufuna ukuzibona ungekho lapho ukhona right now. So just look yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, do I love myself enough to move out of this place? And the one thing about this life, or rather the way uNkulunkulu is creating a code, you know very well when you are not doing justice for yourself. So I believe when you look at yourself in the mirror, you don't deserve to be here, and now you can do more. Somebody once asked me, and I was like, we know deep down when you start doing something good, this is what I'm called for, this is exactly what I love to do. But so ngasho nje ukuthi nje sibuyela back ku-board where we are saying we are loving ourselves. Siqale manje akithi February, month of love. Self-love mntakamama. The first step is self-love.
Siyabonga. I hope nawe mlaleli lapho uvile ekhaya ukuthi the first step if you feel like you're stuck is to love yourself enough to get out of that situation or to move forward.
I think nenzaba lo ithashile lebalekile la sikhula sathi ukuthi kunema generational cases, kunetinkinga temndeni, vele futhi nginanomndeni la sho kunenye inkinga nje lengayo. So ubekise ngokuthi lese ekhaya basukela bathi sikhule mhlambe kuyathakatha sinokuthi into lehambisana nebantu abamnyama siyathi ukuthi yibi. So how do we break out of these things, le stigma lesinaso ukuthi okay, let's say abantu abamnyama i-failure, bafana danger, all men are trash, mantombatane this, ngifuna kuva le stigma nalamanom lesibukene nawo si break kanjani through.
To be honest with you, I still think it's a mindset thing. But yes, singakhiphi adithi amasiko njengoba usho thina we are black people, we believe ukuthi siya-attackwa, we believe ukuthi siyathakatha, we believe nje ukuthi khona into esuke kulandela. Let's not dispute ukuthi wena uyafuna ukuyogeza. Akithi lokho kuzokwenza ube right, but after ukugeza kwakho then do something. You cannot say wena ulandelwa yinto but then uyageza uphinde ubuye uzohlala kulento futhi. We will not see it moving forward. Kulabo abageza mara kusasa bavuke ekuseni bopha geza, but kusasa uvuke ekuseni and try something and try doing that thing lokhu solo usabu ukuyenza all along. So we are not saying niyahlala, we are not saying anikho right, we are not saying you are not normal, but what we are saying is yes, after seeing Leo case, that generational case that is in the family, do something about it. Ungahlali kuyo, because if you don't change ingqondo yakho nje kuloko cha ulimele, and for a very long time uzohlala umela ukhona.
Mina ngagcizelela kuleyo gezi even na general shothi ngingagezi it's a case. So kuna sigeze lemdala usigezisile ngemvula la, so kugeza kufuna sikwenda ngiyathi ukuthi awugcini la this motivation yokuqala la ku Bitown Breakfast. Wena ungabhoreka nje ekseni uthatha ifoni ube live uvusele ngamuntu good morning. So lokuva manje lofuna ukukulandzela akubone because ngiyathi usidowenda ku social media ukulandzela ku.
Well, obviously, I do videos for a living and I love it. So you get me on Facebook on Ogushe Dumankosi on the hashtag The Talk with Ogushe.
Siyabonga ukuhlola leli Bitown Breakfast ku 104.1 the pumping beat of Ekasi. Lami libito ngi Prince Valley sina nomndeni. Uyama Dr. Maling?
Ngiyamaje kahle Dr. Maling.
Lengoma lesize siyilanze bekakhuluma ngemaphutha ethu wacela Mr Officer ukuthi akamcolele yena ifather to be.
Nkosi yami.
Akalonile uyawena amaphutha, that's why after the song kwaba nengoma lethi Casanova because so when that into guy. Yeah, but la bamcolele nje.
Bandla.
Ngiko wabona wayana ku pop health ukuthi vele manje uyamhleka bona.
Liphutha.
Akuhleki mina ehleka nomndeni Bitam Breakfast ku 104.1 the pumping beat of Ekasi Black Motion Dr Malinga father to be uthe okuhle asigeza wona once sageza liphutha lokuqala lesitovu kalikahle ke lelo then everything it over possible to break onke lama generational cases